What's up everyone? Welcome back to the vlog. And today we're not doing gym. Today we're gonna experience rest day and we're going to Tanay, Rizal. Before this video continues, I just want to say thank you for 30 subscribers, having 9,000 more views, and also I'm happy that I'm getting more audience by day and day and progressing over time. So, whatever it is, let's get back to the video. Let's go. So we're here at the restaurant. We're gonna eat first before we go to the river we have to go to. So let's eat and let's go now. Peace. God damn. We're here at the place. We're here at the place. The lake, the river is dried up. I think because it's the dry season, or more like rainy season now. But check this shit out, bro. Wait, let me try. So you can see it's pretty dried up. But hey, it's a river is a river. We're gonna go swimming later. Let's go. Oh, yung ano, cellphone man. Ay, yung cellphone.
Di ba yung water ko? Jared, malalim din dyan ha. Dito, malalim na ba daw? Jared, dito. May bato dyan tayo. Ito ko lang ito.
How are you all? Remove the angle. Oh shit.
Kaya pala yung bagay yung gagawin ng upuan. Kaya ba? Alam ko sa may-ari yung upuan natin.
It's good. My physique feels great today. No problem with my physique, you know. Except that I am
Meron mo na. Ibaba mo na gano'n, no? Galit.
yes. So
Isin mo dito na ko.
Ha?
Isin mo. Uy! Yung ano kasi.
Ulog yung mama mo.
hindi yan.
Ikaw nga mag-ayos mo.
Galingan si mama eh.
Huwag ka na kasi magiging babe.
Okay lang.
Nag-vlog din siya. Ikaw nga na. Nag-ano
Doon mo ipatong no.
Huwag mo na i-tripod, Beg. Ganyan mo na lang din sa mama mo.
Pwede.
True.
Waterproof ba sepan ka?
Oo, pero wag mo ibagsak. Oo,
Waterproof?
waterproof ka talaga. Matang ina, bago yan.
Tulog yan. Alanganin yan.
Alam mo palang alanganin eh.
Tanggalin mo yung generous ni Papa.
Tingnan mo sarili mo. O, sige na. Okay na yan.
Oo, pwede naman.
Okay na.
Nangaano tong ilog oh, nandadala. Tignan mo.
O, ha? Ayos na?
Ha?
Oo, ayos na yan.
Pwede. Mo sinabi.
Ba, puta malaki. Bigyan natin. Mahirap na.
Wala na akong load.
Finish ka daw, finish. Buka natin, baka mamaya. Ano?
Araw-araw Ay!
Ay, putong.
Grabe naman tong umangat ng paa.
Yeah.
Ayos na, ayos na yan.
Yeah.
Ay, putik talaga si Gary.
Ha? Ba? Init eh. So that's the end. Peace out, yo. What's up? We're here and let's check the view out.
Nature escape. May yung may daw na nature.
Ikaw na nga ako muna eh.
Hindi. Bakit din? Ayan ang i-connect mo.
Ayan na.
Wait lang, wait lang. Ano muna, Nay?
Mountains, you know. I can't. Oh my god, I can't. There you go. Look at that view, bro.
Ano pang password ko
It's beautiful here. Oh my god. Wait,
I love
wait.
nature.
Wait. Oh my god. This is awesome, bro. Like walking out here, seeing the mountain range. Oh,
May balance yun.
Nag-down ka lang.
let's make
Mamaya na lang po.
switch and let's watch the view while I rest because it's my rest day. Let's go. I will give you guys a tour. Let's see. First, this is obviously the rope thingy and the view and free bed. We have a fan. I don't know why we need it. It's already warm and cold already. Night. And wait, switch. I can't switch cams. I don't know why. I can't. But here you can see that if you go down, there's another bed, the stove area, the dining area. So where you eat right there, and we have the bathroom. Obviously, like you cannot forget the bathroom. I need to take a number two later, so number three. And then we have the mountain range, even though we're still up down there. And that's probably it. The lake, the river's right there. So I think we're gonna go swimming, but I don't feel like it. But I know what. That's the door. And also, this this is, you know, good. At the end of the video, I'll send what resort is this. So if you guys want to go where I am right now, you can go. You just visit, call them, text them, whatever. Alright, let's go now. What's up, everyone? We're here at the windmill farm. Yeah, so you can see the windmills here. Over there, you can see the outlook of. I accidentally cut the cam. You can see the Manila right there, capital region. It's a quiet spot. Big ass windmill. First time seeing it in person. Ah,
Vlog natin. Paano tayo mag-vlog yan?
naka-video nga.
Ha?
Naka-video.
Video na yan?
Oo.
Nice, guys.
Aray.
Welcome to YouTube channel
Bigat
of
eh.
Jared Gabriel Ramirez.
Public na lang. Panaso lang.
You can see. You can see. You can see. Ano na. You can see the beautiful view of Manila from the outrageous of distance. Huh?
Sa vlog mo, sama mo naman sa
Yan, tayo.
Alright. I'll check you the view. You can see a big windmill. And then the beautiful view of Manila. Manila is the capital region of Manila. Di ko gets. Ano sinabi ko?
Manila is the capital.
Fish ponds yun, no?
The Philippines.
Di ko alam. Di ako magaling sa English. Okay. Okay, you know what? I think that's the end, right? Maybe that's the end. Alright, peace out. So you can see the view again before I end this video. You can see the view. Beautiful view right there. Right there. All the way in the background. 360. Let's see. See the windmills. Okay. Peace out, y'all. It's been a journey. It's been a journey with you today. And that's the end. Peace out. I think we came to an end of the vlog, and I just want to say I am happy that I'm progressing my audience, progressing my viewers, and I'm really grateful that you guys actually watch me for content, my own content, gym, maybe nature next time, maybe nature, gym, gaming, maybe will be in this channel, but for some time now, peace out, and also never give up and enjoy life, obviously. Let's go. Yeah.